Today, we're going to build something that is super exciting.
Yeah.
Partially because it was part of my Father's Day present.
Yeah, today.
But it's Indiana Pacers.
It's the Father's Day 2018.
18, yes. It's not Legos. It's Lego compatible.
What does Lego compatible mean?
Lego compatible means that it will work with Legos. So if we put Legos on it, it should work together. We've had some pieces before that say that, but they don't really work real well. But this one says it should. This is an Indiana Pacers Shootout set. And so we will, it's got a little mini Victor Oladipo and a mini Myles Turner. So I'm super excited to get this open and take a look at it. It also has 2 water bottles, 2 looks like Beats headphones, and a basketball. So this should be pretty fun to build, and since we are Indiana Pacers fans,
Yep.
this will be fun to build and play with. So
The Pacers.
we'll see how this works. It only has 60 pieces.
Yeah,
So the other ones we built before, like the Minecraft stuff, was like 200 and something, right?
Oh my goodness!
I know.
We
So
built a Minecraft thing.
so that's the
flat
floor.
piece.
Oh, it's already got all the Pacers
It's compatible.
logos on it, and you can see it's just like any other Lego. I don't know, what do I say?
Lego stuff.
Lego pad, Lego flooring.
Yeah.
Let's see. This is just a box.
But it doesn't say Lego on them.
It's by, I think it's pronounced OyoSports or OyoSports. What is it? Oh, Oyo. O-Y-O Sports. So they have other sporting equipment. There's football, basketball, and soccer and stuff.
Bunch of Legos in there.
The instructions are a little simpler than the Legos. It looks like there's only about 10 steps. So this video should be shorter than
All the other ones.
So you see in this box it had a little Myles Turner and a little Victor Oladipo that we'll put together in just a
2 of
minute.
them.
Right now,
I'm gonna mix it up maybe a little because when we're done building it, we sometimes like mix it up and change it into something different to make it our own cool thing.
yeah, so that's bag
Bag
number 1. This was probably the backboard. So, oh, and there's a little basketball. We'll put that to the side so we don't lose it. Okay, so let's take a look at what step number 1 would be. Put this to the side. We don't need this quite yet. All right, so if you see how those go on the back right there? You go like right here and right there. And then, well, and you never know with things that aren't exactly Lego if it's going to be.
They're not actually Legos. Actually, it doesn't say Legos.
I know. But things that aren't exactly Legos, if they're going to be a little harder to put together or not, just because they're not exactly what they were before. So, if you need any help, let me know.
Okay.
That looks good so far. And then this piece will go. Oh, sorry. Is it a little harder to put together?
A little.
A little bit.
There you go.
All right. So now we'll put this one. Good job. Okay, now I kind of squeeze them on there a little tighter. This one goes right here, and put that on there. Okay. Flip it over. We need to put these, and we may call them Legos. We may just say Legos. Oh, hold on a minute. I'm gonna make sure we get that in the right spot. So this will go like that, and we'll put. I guess they'll go like right here. And then right here. Oh, cool, the hoop. So we have this, that. I'm not sure what we're building yet, but we'll get to it. Okay, so this looks like it's going to be the, wait, that's not right. See, the instructions aren't quite as good as the Lego instructions. It's a little confusing. Okay, it goes like that. Next we need the hoop. You got the hoop?
Yep.
Can you put it right here?
Oh, so this is...
This is good. And then put the net in it. There we go.
See?
All right. Now next, we need to put, look at this. Okay, so we need to put these little things onto the sides. All right. So we need all of these little one-off pieces. We need to stack 3 of them together. 1, 2, 3, like that. Okay? And they go right here. And then I need you to do that with this one. So put these 3 together. And we'll put it right there.
Might be a little hard for me. It's not like it don't really turn as easily as the Legos do.
They do not do that.
They do turn, just not as easily as Legos do. Some Legos can turn. Okay.
Go ahead and put this one on here.
You know,
Because, yeah, you see if you can put that one on. I started kind of messing with it. It looks like it's going to be a little difficult. I hope it's not.
okay, this is a little too hard.
Yeah, I'll just push this down like this. Okay. So now, that one will go.
Oops, Daddy.
It's okay. It's okay. Here, we'll set that to the side. We can put that in later. So that.
We got one of the pieces in a problem. Right now.
I think it should go on. It's like, there we go. Okay,
We got it!
We got it. Okay, this one goes on top.
Okay.
There we go. Okay, so now that's where we're at. We can put the basketball goal in a little later, the net in later if you want. Okay, so now we need to put the top pieces on. Looks like I only have one. Should I have more?
We got, let's check my phone. Never mind.
Oh, there it is. It was stuck inside another piece. Okay, so here's what we need to do. See this? See the top?
Mhm.
Oh.
Okay.
You gotta put the flat pieces on the top, okay? And these would go like this. Okay? We go long, short, and then we'll put this black one in the middle, and then short. So we're building the backboard for our basketball shootout set. Right now, he's putting the top on. It kind of just makes the top smooth so it doesn't look like little Lego bits sticking up on it. Alright, and that one needs to go, yeah, just like that. Because that's where the 24-second shot clock is going to go. Okay, just like that. Oh, there's kind of a little more
Not
difficult.
very hard.
There we go.
Not very good.
There we go. It's a little bit tough to do, but still.
I've never seen a piece like this.
Oh my goodness. All right, so what we'll do is we'll take this and we'll set this to the side. It looks like we now need to build with this piece. I'm probably going to build the pole that holds the basketball goal. So, all right, so we need to put this right here in the center.
We still haven't used this
We
piece.
have not. We'll get to that.
Yeah, it's a pretty cool piece.
It is a pretty cool piece.
I know where we're gonna have to put the basketball. Oh, right here. That's where we're gonna put the basketball goal. I guess.
Yeah, and then what's that? Here's this piece here that goes there, and then
Hey, we got this. See?
yeah, we'll put some stickers. This one has some stickers on it. Our other ones have not had stickers. So, oh, we put two of those. Okay,
We
so
got
now
some stickers.
here we go. Let's
And
show
then a
them.
white
Let's show them
sticker.
where we're at. So we've done everything up to number 6. So we have this part, and we have this part, and we have this part, and we have some extra pieces. So let's turn around, look at number 7, and see where we need to go from here. There's only 9 steps, I guess 10 in total if you count the stickers. All right, number 7. Okay, so let's try to figure out how this goes on. It looks like this will go in the back like that. And these will go like this. Haha. Like that. Like I said, it's a little confusing from, the Legos make it really pretty easy to follow.
Yeah.
This is not quite as easy.
The Lego Classic build,
Mhm.
if you've seen that, that was the first build we did, and then we did Lego Minecraft,
Yeah.
which was some days later.
There we go. And then we got this one right here. Okay, so
We're done
we
with some
have this done.
basketball.
Now we have to put this on here.
Okay.
Does that go on like that?
Yeah.
You sure? Something there? This
I'm
is-
sure. I'm sure.
Yeah.
I'm sure.
I think you're sure. I don't think I'm sure. This needs to go back on like this. This will go flat on here. That's
Ooh.
there we go. I thought it looked a little peculiar. All right, so
What does peculiar mean?
like it does. It's not right. It's not in the right spot.
I might ask them some questions
Yeah,
in
that's
here.
good. You can ask questions whenever you have questions. All right, so there's our basketball. Oh, our basketball goal. Milo, I will give you the one of the players. You know how to build the players. Here, you can build Oladipo.
We're not the one that begins with them.
We want to build Miles Turner?
Yeah.
All right. You know, we almost named you Miles.
Oh, I know.
But we didn't name you Miles.
I
All
know.
right, here we go.
Milo sounds the same.
A little bit. All right, so you go ahead and build that.
Oh.
So this,
Oh my goodness. I've never ever built someone without his hands. See, Daddy?
Yeah, these guys have hands you got to put on. I will build
That's
over
super
here.
weird.
Oh, this has a... Alright.
His hand broke. Oh.
Okay, so now, put our Pacers players together.
I cannot put his hands in.
Yeah, the hands look a little harder. Oh, I'll help you with that, buddy, because they go in. You got to put in the elbows first.
I did.
Okay. Maybe we can kind of...
Oh. No. Oh, that's the problem. That's the problem. I don't have a water bottle, but I do have headphones.
This is my city. Right here.
Oh man, this is a little bit harder. Harder.
We'll put and we'll put
Can you help me please, Daddy?
yes, I will.
I was getting go with him
I'll
now.
put Victor right here. That's fine.
I was getting go with him.
I'll help you. Let me see. Oh, get it back. I'm going to put him right here so that we can stand there and I'll help you put it. Let's see. Oh,
These are the only pieces that I had.
Yeah, you did a good job with that one. Ooh, okay. Yeah, the arms and stuff work a little differently than any of the Lego guys I've ever seen. They actually have like elbows and stuff.
Is this a water bottle? Yeah, this is a water
Yeah,
bottle.
there's a water bottle. Oh goodness. Yeah, that's hard to get in, buddy. I don't even have a problem with it. Okay. He has hair. Here.
Hi. Okay. Yeah. Goodbye.
There we go.
I know.
And where's his hand?
This guy. I know this guy looks like he doesn't have any hair, but he does have hair.
Where's that some hair? There we go. Oh wait, where's his legs?
See?
There we go. All right. I'll put some stickers on. Yeah, I'll do the 24 seconds.
Hey. I want to do it.
It goes.
I know.
You don't need. I'm not sure where he's at. Best you can.
And I can do those.
This one goes right here. And the blue part is here. We can move it to a bit. Alright, and then there's a little bitty tiny one. Do you want to try to do that or want me to do it?
I can do it.
Okay, here. Little bitty tiny one.
I know where it goes.
Where?
It goes somewhere. Let's see.
Yep, it's right here on the picture.
Okay.
The best you can, buddy. That looks perfect. Probably better than what I could do. Alright, and look, so we got Victor Oladipo on there. We'll put Miles Turner down low, waiting for a pass, ready to get the rebound. Right?
Yep.
And put it back up. Uh-oh.
How did you get the basketball on there?
It's just like a Lego. It's got a hole in the bottom of it. See?
I wanted to go on with it.
Go ahead. And now you can see we built our, not Lego, but this OYO.
What does OYO mean?
I don't know. That's the company name. OyoSports Basketball Shootout with the Indiana Pacers with Miles Turner and Victor Oladipo. It didn't take too terribly long. It was a little more difficult than just a regular Lego piece, Lego set, but
It's not actually Legos.
not actually Lego, but it is Lego compatible, right? So
Yeah.
it will work with your Legos in theory. They also came with these little Beats headphones that can go on your basketball players for pre-game and post-game. It also came with little water bottles the players can.
Look at two of them.
Yep, 2 water bottles.
Where's mine? Oh,
Right
here's
there.
mine.
So that's it. That's our basketball. So You go ahead and play. There's also a little spot back here where you can set the basketball. The basketball has a little hole in it. Nice dunk.
Oh! His hand fell off.
Oh my goodness, his hand came off on the ball. Oh,
Look at his hand!
I hope that doesn't happen to Miles Turner.
It doesn't
We
realize.
can't afford that next year. We need him. We need him. So,
What?
to win a championship. All right. Ah! He's attacking me. I don't think this is how Miles Turner games.
Hey, how do I put the headphones on?
I don't know. They kind of just slide on the top. Here, let me grab Victor here. We'll put the headphones on.
I think the hand needs to be off.
See that? It just goes on like this. Or you could even just wrap them around his neck, like the hair on the neck, like this. Like that. And then you take them down, just let us through. And then the water bottle, just go into their hands.
How?
Well, hands aren't easiest to, there we go. Pretty big water bottle, but
There you go, Daddy. Here's some hair.
he's pretty thirsty. He's like,
Hold on.
are you going to give Victor Oladipo Miles Turner's hair? There it is.
Put it all the way on.
Oh,
Put it-
put it all around.
We're having some fun and mixing
There we go.
around.
Now we've mixed up the players and we say, there's Miles Oladipo or Victor Turner.
And here's basketball
Basketball.
Miles.
Nice. There it is. There is your
And hold on. We got some extra stuff here.
Indiana Pacers.
And wait here.
There we go.
Watch this.
I'm open.
Pretend you're not on his team.
Oh, we're on separate teams?
Yeah.
Okay. You can score on me. Oh, man. My turn. You.
You don't have to actually put up on his.
All right. I'm going to shoot it back here. Oh, 3 points.
No, we both get 1 point.
Well, I will let you play with the basketball, have some fun. Again, this is the Indiana Pacers shootout set. I think this one is more for a display to just look at. I don't know. Maybe this to play with too. So, all right, Milo, have fun with the Indiana Pacers, okay? All right.
Yay! Hmm.